A couple red flags in women you should always look out for, nephew, especially the last one. The ones that call themselves boss chicks. Do yourself a favor, nephew. Evacuate immediately. She's bad news.
Number 2, if her whole friend group's single and bitten, nephew, you in trouble.
Number 3, if she don't like her mama, what you think she gonna do to you?
Number 4, if she's from the Bronx, Brooklyn, New Jersey, or Miami, just trust me, nephew, it ain't worth it.
Number 5, if she has a Louis Vuitton bag but still living in the hood, block her, delete her number, and bounce, nephew.
Number 6, if she swear all her exes was trash, nephew, she the raccoon digging through the garbage.
Last but not least, if her whole shoe rotation is nothing but Air Jordans, nephew, that's bad news.